What's up everybody? Today we'll be making banana bread. It's a few ingredients but very simple. If you follow the steps you'll have a great result. First up, you're going to need bananas, and your banana should look like this, speckled, super ripe. The more ripe your bananas are, the less sugar you're going to use. So first I'll begin by peeling these, taking all the skin off, and as you can see it's super ripe, and that is what you're looking for. The riper your bananas, less sugar you're probably going to need. After that, I have like a masher, and you're just going to smash these up. That's it. Next, I'll add my sugar. And I have a rubber spatula. I'll just mix that around. And the recipe is going to be in the description below. That is 1 cup of sugar. Some recipes call for more, but again, if your bananas are sweet and super ripe, you're not going to need a lot of sugar. So after I get that all incorporated, I'll go on to the next step, which will be the vanilla and orange zest. And I add orange zest to this recipe because I think it, brings out the flavor for the bananas. Next, I'll go with room temperature eggs. If you're baking at home, get your eggs at room temperature. That helps to give a beautiful result. And again, you just want to incorporate this. Again, this is a very simple recipe. I think it's delicious. Next, I'll add olive oil. And you just want to mix it through. Next, I have AP flour, and I have some baking soda and salt. I'll add it to my flour, and I'll just add the flour slowly until it's mixed, and you just keep swirling your spatula around. You don't want to overmix. So that's why you add a little at a time, because it comes into a wonderful batter. You don't want to mix this with a whisk. Spatula is best, wooden spoon. And what you'll do while you're doing this, you can set your oven to 375. And so it's preheated. Add the remainder. And that's pretty much it. That's how your batter should look like. Simple. Next I have my loaf pan. I'll spray it. And this smells amazing already because of the orange zest, the ripe bananas, and of course the vanilla. So I'll add this into the oven. My oven is already set at 375. There you go, that's the banana bread. Right now I have a cooling rack in a tray, and I'll unmold the banana bread. Just work your way around the edges, and it should come out easily. So there you go, your beautiful banana bread.